Hi guys, today our friend Pete the Kitty has the case of the hiccups, and today my cat Benji, he's a kitty. He's only 0 years old. Next year he's turning 1. He says to hit the like button if you like Messi, and hit the subscribe button if you like Ronaldo. Now let's read this book. Hic. Hiccup. Oh no. P has the hiccups. Hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Hic. Wee. P asks Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic. Doing. Pete asks Kaylee, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Kaylee. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic. Yowzers. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. He does it. Hop. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Hiccup. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits. And he waits. And he waits. Hiccup. Hiccup. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Like ours. The end. Bye, and hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.